Affiliate marketing, hands down, is one of the best ways to make money online, even if you're more so a beginner when it comes to making money online. Now, I've tried to make money online a lot of different ways. I've failed at a lot of different things, but I must say affiliate marketing has been more so one of the easier ways that I made money online. And just to kind of give you some real numbers, this month I'm on track to make probably around $2,300 from affiliate marketing. Now, I don't know about y'all, but $2,300 is a good amount of money, especially if you already have a job and you're making that on the side. I think that's a good chunk of change. Now, I'm a full-time entrepreneur, and affiliate marketing is just one way that I make money online, but it is a big part of my online business model. Okay, so first thing, I gotta let y'all know what affiliate marketing is. I'll try to break it down in a simple way. So it's pretty much recommending a service or product to your audience. And if they purchase that service or product through your links, you're gonna get a commission from that. Now, the commissions for that can be different depending on what affiliate program you're in. There are so many affiliate programs. So I'm in the Amazon Associates affiliate program. So that's where I'm recommending Amazon products. And if people buy those products, I get a commission from that. But also these other companies have their own affiliate programs. So that could be like a software that you're using. So I've done affiliate marketing with different services or softwares that I've used before. And I find that some of those affiliate programs have really high commissions. For example, I was in an affiliate program. This was in the past, I'm not in it now. And someone made a purchase, and I think the commission I got from that was like 230 bucks. And let me tell y'all, my mind was blown. I'm like, just from one sale, I think they got like the biggest package that they had, or it was like the yearly fee, they just paid it up front. And that really just opened my eyes to how powerful affiliate marketing could be. But anyways, one of the most common affiliate programs is Amazon Associates. They do have lower commissions, like 3%, 4%, but trust me when I say those things can add up, especially when you have a lot of content out there and you're promoting just a lot of different products. So now let me tell y'all just about how I got started with affiliate marketing. So if you've been on the channel for a while, you know I was side hustling, just trying a lot of different things, and affiliate marketing is something that I've seen online, a lot of people talking about it, and I tried it out. So I started doing affiliate marketing on this channel right here. This was when this was more of a photography channel. I signed up to Amazon Associates, and then I started recommending products that I was already using. And that's what I really like about affiliate marketing. You're just talking about products or services that you use and like, and you're recommending them to your audience. So for me, that was photography gear and also photography services that I was using, because I built my channel around educating photographers. And that's pretty much how you do it. So for me, I was using YouTube videos, just video content for the marketing of the products that I was recommending. But there are so many ways that you can do affiliate marketing. That's another thing that I like about it. Like, you can recommend your affiliate links on your social media. It doesn't have to be YouTube. It could be Instagram. It could be Facebook. I see a lot of people that do it on Instagram. You can also do email marketing to promote your affiliate links. Maybe you built up an email list. You can market your affiliate links to them. You can also recommend your affiliate links through a blog post. That's something that I see people do that, and they do it for a full-time business. I've also seen people recommend affiliate links in different courses. So I've taken a lot of different courses, and I'll see people recommend certain stuff within those courses, and it's affiliate marketing, and they get a commission if you use that link. So as you can see, it's a lot of different ways, probably some more ways that you can do affiliate marketing. Now let me tell you why this is even perfect for a beginner, because I know some people probably think they don't have a big enough audience size or something like that. These are things that I used to think. So to do this, you will need some kind of audience. I have to be honest about that. Now, the thing is, you don't need a huge audience. I know you see all these people that do affiliate marketing, they have like 50K followers, 100K. You don't need that. I even think you could do effective affiliate marketing with an audience of less than 500 people. Yes, traffic is huge when it comes to affiliate marketing. You have to get traffic and eyes to your links to actually have a chance to get affiliate sales. But I think this is where people think, you know, they have to have so much traffic, right? I would even say you can get affiliate sales with less than, let's just say you're utilizing YouTube videos for your affiliate marketing and your videos are getting less than 1,000 views. You can still get affiliate sales on those videos. I'm doing it right now. I have a product review channel where I review Amazon products. Some of those videos, they don't have 20K views, 10K views. Some of them have 500 views, 200 views, 300 views. Some of them will get 1,000 plus, and they all get affiliate sales. I think what really matters if you're gonna be doing affiliate marketing and utilizing YouTube videos and video content is how effective is the content, how good is the content? Are you presenting it in a good way where it's engaging and people actually wanna watch it? And also, are you hitting all the points on what that potential buyer or customer would wanna know about that product or service? So something else about affiliate marketing and why I think it's perfect for a beginner is you don't have to spend any money up front. Like I said, you're just recommending products and services that you already use and that you already know the ins and outs of that product or service. Like I said, for me, I was just talking about things that I was currently using, and like I do now, I talk about things that I currently use and things that I really like. So you can do the same, whether that's with a service or a product that you're using. Also, I really like how you don't have to create anything. I think it's perfect for someone starting out online because you don't have to create a course. You don't have to create a digital product. You don't have to create a service. And see, the thing with that is a lot of people don't understand that stuff, or they'll look at it and be like, I can't do that. So they won't do anything. So I think this is an easy way to get started online. You just recommend stuff that you love and it's easy to talk about. Share your experience with that product. Share why you like it. Share the things that you don't like about it. That was something that even really caught my attention with affiliate marketing because at the time I was kind of scared to sell. I think with affiliate marketing, from my experience at least, it's not, I feel like I'm not even selling. I feel like I'm just showing a product that I love and that I use all the time. So it's easy for me to make that content and get money from it versus if I had like my own product or service. You know, a lot of people are scared to sell online. That was something that I had to overcome. And in the beginning, I was super scared to pitch my service or product and just sell. It just felt kind of, I don't know, weird to me. I'm definitely a lot better at it now, but I still have some blocks, I guess you could say, internally when it comes to selling stuff. The potential with affiliate marketing, y'all, is it's insane. It really is. Like, I'm seeing that now because I have so much content now. And that's when you can really see this thing scale. Like, the more content you put out, like I said, for me, that's YouTube videos. That's how I mainly do my affiliate marketing. It's just stacking. My content is just stacking. I'm bringing in more traffic, new people to this content every day. So I'm getting so many eyes consistently on my affiliate links. And the crazy part is I feel like I haven't even reached my full potential when it comes to affiliate marketing. I feel like I'm just kind of scratching the surface. And to me, that's crazy to, you know, for this month be making, you know, around, let's just say 2,300. And obviously it fluctuates. Some months it may be 600. Some months it may be 1,000. It just depends. But there's so many other things and strategies I could implement to boost this even more. And I've even been thinking about starting a blog because I know how powerful blogging could be. And I know with affiliate marketing how powerful and how important SEO is. So that's really what I tap into with my YouTube content, making SEO-based content, evergreen content that people are searching for these things, like a good amount of people, and this content stays relevant. So it's gonna always consistently, you know, be bringing in traffic. And a blog kind of works the same way, you know? People can search for those blogs, you know, SEO, and then it could be some type of evergreen content. And then that blog post could rank on Google. So think about if you had, let's just say 100 blog posts that ranked on that first page of Google for that specific topic or keyword. So you see how this can really like stack up and just go crazy when you have blog post ranking, you have YouTube videos ranking. Maybe you have an email list of like 1,500 people where you're sending your affiliate links to them. Like it can really get crazy. So when you see people talking about affiliate marketing, and I've seen people 20K, 30K months, even higher than that. Like I've heard 100K. It's definitely possible. I'm on the smaller end of it, but I can see how that could be possible. Take a break to get this pre-workout. So yeah, guys, if y'all want to know more about affiliate marketing, let me know. I love talking about the subject. I've been doing affiliate marketing for years, and I've had good success with it, and it's continuing to grow. And now it's getting to the point where it's really passive. Yes, I'm still creating content, but even if I don't create content, I have so much content, so many affiliate links. I'm getting so much eyes on that stuff. Like I'm still going to be making decent money with affiliate marketing. And that's something that I love about it. It's something that kind of works in the background for me, even if I'm not actively working on it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, if y'all have any questions about this, let me know in the comments down below. If you got value from this video, be sure to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.